The contour tool in Affinity is basically your go-to way to make shapes look thicker, wider, or more stylized by pushing their outline inward or outward, kind of like giving your shape a clean border boost without messing up the original design. You can select it by tapping the O key, and once it's active, just click your shape and drag left to shrink the contour or drag right to expand it. Beginners love this tool because it works visually. No confusing math. Just drag and watch your shape grow or tighten up. At the top, you'll also see options to control the look of your corners, like round, bevel, or miter, which helps you choose whether you want soft edges or sharp, pointy ones. You can also control how the ends of open lines look using cap styles and decide whether the shape stays hollow, filled, or auto-closed. When you're happy with how everything looks, you can hit Bake Appearance to turn the contour into real editable curves. But remember, once baked, it's no longer adjustable, so only do it when you're sure. This tool is awesome for making icons, badges, stickers, and logo outlines look super clean and professional, even if you're brand new to Affinity. And hey, if this quick guide helped you level up your design game, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any beginner-friendly Affinity tutorials.